Hello, today we are going to make a nice chili cheese sandwich. So let's see how to make. I have taken 4 bread slices. I have some green chili sauce, pepper powder, few green chilies chopped, mozzarella cheese and salt.
I'm sad. I'm very sad. I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
You are not telling me to put this sauce. Please one time.
Okay.
Please two
Now
time,
we have to
please.
spread the green chili sauce well.
One time.
Put in this one. Yeah. And we have to
Fed.
yeah.
Fed.
Enough. Yeah. And now we have to put some mozzarella cheese.
My favorite cheese.
Enough. Okay.
Put.
Next we have to put little bit of salt. Just sprinkle some salt. We have to add some
Pepper.
pepper.
Add some green chili.
And let's add some green chilies to it. Now let's toast these bread. I have kept the bread to the toaster. Now let's toast the bread. Sandwich is ready now. You can have a great evening snack. Thank you for watching. Bye.